Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the 2025 New Holland 5510 tractor, a machine that blends power, efficiency, and modern technology to meet the evolving needs of farmers. The New Holland 5510, also known as the Excel Ultima 5510, is equipped with the FPTS 8000 series engine. This three-cylinder engine delivers a power output of 49.5 horsepower at 2,100 RPM, ensuring robust performance for various agricultural tasks. In terms of transmission, the 5510 offers multiple options to cater to diverse farming requirements. These include 12 forward and 12 reverse gears, 20 forward and 20 reverse gears with a creeper option, and a 24 forward and 24 reverse multispeed gearbox. This versatility allows operators to select the optimal speed and torque for specific applications. The tractor's hydraulic system is designed for efficiency and precision. It boasts a lifting capacity of 2,000 kilograms, which can be extended to 2,500 kilograms with an assist ram. The Sensomatic 24 hydraulic lift, featuring 24 sensing points, ensures accurate control during lifting operations. Additionally, the Lift-O-Matic system with a height limiter enhances operational efficiency by allowing quick and easy implement positioning. Safety and operator comfort are prioritized in the 5510. The tractor comes equipped with ROPS rollover protective structure and a canopy, providing protection against potential rollovers and harsh weather conditions. The inclusion of LED fender lamps enhances visibility during low-light operations, ensuring that work can continue safely during early mornings or late evenings. The 5510 is available in both 2WD and 4WD configurations, allowing farmers to choose based on their specific terrain and traction requirements. The 4WD variant offers enhanced stability and control, especially in challenging field conditions. Fuel efficiency is a notable feature of the 5510. With a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters, the tractor ensures extended operational hours without the need for frequent refueling, thereby increasing productivity. The tractor's dimensions contribute to its stability and maneuverability. It has a wheelbase of 2,030 mm, an overall length of 3,900 mm, and a ground clearance of 390 mm, making it suitable for various terrains and farming activities. In the Pakistani market, the New Holland 5510 is priced competitively. As of March 2025, the tractor is available at an approximate price of 3,059,400 Pakistani rupees. The 2025 New Holland 5510 tractor stands out as a reliable and efficient machine, offering a blend of power, versatility, and safety features. Its adaptability to various farming needs makes it a valuable asset for modern agricultural operations. Thank you for joining us on this detailed overview of the 2025 New Holland 5510 tractor. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest in agricultural machinery and vehicles.